Hi guys, this is EnGentech. All right, what you're seeing right here is Heritage Polytechnic portal, and then I am responsible in teaching students on how to build websites, how to create website and some other programs like Visual Basic, like Python, and the rest of them. Okay, so for this very aspect, I came up with this idea that they should go and clone their portal, try to write code that will display exactly what I'm seeing here. Let me scroll down and show you the rest of the site. It's a very beautiful site, all right? Now, okay, so they're gonna come live on Thursday. That's next week, 27th of this month, to showcase their ability and then tell you in public. Why not send your words to Heritage Polytechnic Eket for them to learn and acquire competent skills in computer engineering? Let me just show you an example. Okay, let's just take this to the desktop. Let's run the code and see what happens. We are using Visual Studio Code. Okay, and right here, this is example just for tutorial purpose on how that site was created. This is the front page, like what you're seeing there, and there's the CSS code that cover that very site. Okay, just a basic level. So let's go live and see what happens. All right, so you can see this is the cloned site to this very Heritage Polytechnic e-portal site. All right, you can see the difference. There are little difference which they're gonna correct that from their end. Example, this is Heritage Polytechnic is supposed to be color white, and here was actually yellow, so they're gonna change that to white. And then the fonts family is not actually the same. They're gonna work on that, but that doesn't really matter as long as you have something that looks almost the same with this. Okay, and every other thing here remains the same. So if you go down, we don't have this other this form preview and the inputs element. All right, they're gonna implement that in their work. All right, and then if you hover over here, you can see how the hovering looks beautiful, just the same thing that we have here. If you hover here also, we have the same implementation, same thing applicable to this. So this is what we offer at Heritage Polytechnic. We try to do realistic things in reality, like try to see how to do things in reality. Okay, so I'm gonna come up live and start teaching people how to do this from scratch. Like if you don't have any idea of writing codes, of trying to design website, you don't have any idea at all, and you want to learn how to do so, ensure you subscribe to my TikTok channel. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna come live and start teaching people from the scratch. At least in the next 1 year or 2 years, you will see where you get yourself to. All right. So why not follow me up in TikTok and YouTube channel and see how your life is going to be in the next 1-2 years ahead of you. For now, thank you for having me right here. Bye for now.